Good morning, children. This is our social study class. Today we will learn the remaining part of chapter 2. Yesterday we have learned about different parts of our body. You remember? These are the different parts of our body. Now, move on to the next page. Read the sentences. We crawl on our knees. Crawl on our knees. So our knees helps us for crawling. You have seen little children crawl. We chew food with our teeth. Our teeth helps us to chew food. We carry our school bag on our shoulders. We turn our neck to see in different directions. We turn our neck to left, right, to see different directions. Okay, when we want to see left side, we turn left. When we want to see right side, we turn right. Okay, in this way our neck helps us. So all our body parts are very helpful, are very useful. Okay, we write on paper. We write on paper. These are the works we do with our hands. Okay, we do many things with our hands. We write on paper. We draw and paint a picture. We push and pull objects. We write on paper. We draw and paint picture. You draw and paint picture with your hands. Okay, with your fingers. We push and pull objects. Push and pull objects. Okay, and we do many things with our legs. Yesterday I have told you to write some activities that you can do with your legs. So here are the work that you do with your legs. We jog, we run, we skip, walk. So we do this work. We jog, we run, skip, walk, hop, jump with our legs. Draw the missing body parts. You all love drawing. So draw the missing parts in this picture. Okay, look at your partner, count and write how many he she has. Count how many eyes your partner, your friend have. Eyes, 2 eyes. So here you have to write 2. Cheeks, 1, 2, 2. Here you have written 2 legs, 2. Like this. Okay, you have to count the number of body parts, number of hands you have, tongue, chin, fingers, and write the number. Mouth, 1. Like this. Okay, complete this page in your book. See, tick and cross to tell about yourself. I have tall, short, chubby, lean body. Tick what kind of body you have. If you are tall, then tick tall. If you are short, then tick short. Okay, and cross the rest. Okay, like this. Okay, so this is the chapter of our body. First you have to learn the spelling of body parts. Spelling of body parts, write in your copy, and then write the question answer which I have given you yesterday. Write them clearly in your copy and learn. Then and the fill in the blanks. Complete this page and this page and this also. Okay.